Ray, and I'm a Local Foods and Small Farms Program Coordinator. Last year, you may have remembered we did a few videos for homesteading for the holidays, and we're back this year doing how to make popcorn on the stove. A lot of people may not have a air pop, or maybe you don't want to buy popcorn in a bag, and we definitely have some nice locally sourced popcorn that we can use. All you need is a few ingredients, and it's an easy way to have a snack, or you can use different ingredients to make caramel popcorn, cheddar popcorn, stuffed with chocolate, or popcorn balls, and you can give those away at the holidays. And so we hope you enjoy the video. So making popcorn isn't that hard on the stove, especially if you're sourcing it locally, which isn't gonna be in those brown bags, or if you're buying it in bulk, which can be a little cheaper. You can take it and you can salt it, make it a little more savory, or you can make it into popcorn balls like I did here, with just a simple marshmallow and butter, like you're making Rice Krispie treats, and then I put chocolate on top. And these are both fun treats to share with your family and friends during the holidays. You can add colorful holiday sprinkles or nuts or anything that you want, and just share a little Christmas cheer. Thank you.